Hi now, beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mrs. Slot. I am traveling. I'm going to Italy. I haven't been on a proper holiday in almost 2 years, since I went home. So I'm gonna treat myself and go on what's supposed to be a summer holiday, but anyway, we're here. We're going on holidays. Okay. I just wanted to come here and say a little thank you to people who are subscribing to my YouTube channel. I wasn't expecting a huge audience. To be honest with you, I wasn't even expecting people who will actually subscribe into my membership channel, into my membership area. So I'm really trying to think of what can I do with that. I used to just post videos that I think people don't want to see, that I only wanted to see, and in my mind I'm thinking nobody's gonna want to subscribe to this, but there has been some people that decided to join me on my membership. So I have a few videos that are on private mode, so I was thinking maybe those videos I can put them on membership only. I've seen people do that, so I might just do that, but I need to really think about what I can address or talk about on my membership channel. So it's good to see that I'm actually doing something good. I've been doing this for almost 3-4 years now, and for me there was a point when I was really desperate for people to subscribe, to join me, to do all those stuff, but I just decided, you know what, it's okay, I'm just gonna have a little bit of fun. I know there are some topics that people want me to talk about. Like I always say, I'm not an expert. I just came here as a student, and I always tell you that the best way to come, if you want to come to Ireland, is being on a student visa. For me, because that was my experience. A lot of people want jobs and stuff like that. I have no experience. I'm not an expert, but I'm gonna try. I don't know where to start. If I could get somebody that says, I have an agency, let's hook up, maybe that can work in that way, but I haven't met anybody yet. I did try to reach out to some colleges and they haven't got back to me, but this is where I am right now. I am heading to Italy. I am going to Italy, and I'm gonna take you along and travel with you to my destination. So thank you so much for your subscription, for your likes, for your share, for your everything. Thank you. Bye. Oh yeah, this is also new, but it was like 10 euro. It was 10 euro. Yeah. So it was 32 and then was reduced to 19 and then to 10 euro. So this is the, I don't know what I'm doing. This camera is just driving me crazy. But anyway, we'll get there. We'll get there. Please bear with me. I'm gonna have to get used to this. But thank you so much. Bye. Hi, just a quick unboxing of my makeup. I bought this online. I went to Brand Thomas and I couldn't find anything that I was looking for. So I'm going off for my holidays. And look what I got. Look what I got. Little treat for myself. I worked so hard. So let's see what is in there. Yay, a foundation. I tried it a couple of times in Brand Thomas, and oh, that's the foundation. That's the foundation. And then this is the spray. This is the setting spray. This is the setting spray. So this is my little treat. And they did say they're gonna give me a gift. I need to get used to it because this camera at the top is quite tiny and the one at the bottom, but I should be looking at the one that's recording, that's on top. Oh, look at a little mascara. Okay, that's nice. I don't really am a huge fan of mascara, but Then what is this? Major cream. So they did give me a major cream, which is nice as a gift. So yeah, okay, at least I'll have something to put on my face on my holidays, though I do have something. Yeah, so see, that's nice, isn't it? That's nice. I do have something else. It's totally the opposite, but it looks nice, doesn't it? Okay, let's see. I'm dying to start this. Dying to try this setting spray because I've realized that my makeup goes onto my hair, and also maybe I'm doing it right now. I'm doing it wrong. And I realized that my makeup goes onto everywhere. To make I'm so excited to try it. This is starting. We'll try it. Too much. As you know.